Let's look at simplifying expressions and solving equations with combinations. So we're going to express as factorials and simplify. So in example 8, we're going to simplify. I wrote out the formula for us. This is also on a formula sheet, so you can always look this up as well. So we're going to plug NC5 into this formula, and then we're going to do the same thing with the bottom part here as well. So looking at NC5, we have n factorial over n minus 5 factorial times 5 factorial. So r was 5 here. Now this is going to be divided by n minus 1 is your n value, factorial, over n minus r, so n minus 1 minus 3. Now if I had a binomial here, I'd need to put brackets around it, but we're okay in this question. And then by r value, or 3 factorial. Okay, let's keep simplifying then. So the first thing I'm going to do is just subtract this. So I can do some canceling out here, but I've got quite a bit to write down there, and I think there'll be a faster way to do this one. Ooh, I forgot the factorial back up there. So if you're following along with me, you might need to go back up there. Okay, and so, and instead of writing this, I think, as division, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. So n minus 1 minus 3 is going to be n minus 4 factorial times 3 factorial over n minus 1 factorial. So I took this fraction and I put this now in the denominator. N minus 1 minus 3 is n minus 4 factorial times 3 factorial. And so now I can cancel anything in the numerator with anything in the denominator. So I'm going to start doing some counting down. So if I take n and go to n minus 1, that'll cancel. So we'll do that. And on this side, if I count n minus 4, I can cancel n minus 4, n minus 5, and cancel these. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to have n minus 1, I'm going to stop there. We'll leave n minus 5 factorial. 5 factorial, I can count down to the 3 factorial. So we're going to go 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. Now times n minus 4, we're going to count down until we get n minus 5 factorial. 3 factorial will end up canceling, and n minus 1 will also. So my n minus 1s cancel, my n minus 5s cancel, and my 3 factorials cancel. So now I'm left with n times n minus 4 in the numerator. 5 times 4 is 20. And we can simplify this to n squared minus 4n over 20.